Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have this another listing, no? This is 800 square meters for 2,500 pesos per square meter. Ideal for apartment development or residential or even commercial development because this is very close, approximately 200 meters or walking distance from the Don Emilio Hospital in Ubay, Bohol. So doon yun kaayo siya, guys. Then that is an apartment beside of the property. So apartment na siya, guys. Then actually this is already at Poblacion Ubay, Bohol. So with this 800 square meters kay rectangular in size man siya, owner will allow 50% or around 400 square meters. So pwede siya 400 square meters ang paliton at 2,500 pesos per square meter. So medyo may kamahalan na gyud dapita, guys, pero ang importante nga it can be converted into commercial or apartment development. So nindot kaayo. So mo na siya, guys, no? Duol ra gyud kaayo sa hospital. 200 meters, mga 150 ra siguro gyud. Basta malakaw ra niya kanang kilid ani nga yuta is the apartment na ay mga medical kuan dia, practitioners, murag naa di ay mga nurse, doktor na ba nagabang ana nga house apartment. Nindot kayo nya, mosugot man ang owner, guys, mokuha ta og 400 square meters. So this is really a very good investment or kuan gusto kag income ba. So patag kayo, water, electricity are available, so no problem yun, no, with water, signal, so there's no problem. Kana akong tudlo mo na siya, no, apartment sa mga kuan along the road. The good thing is the property kay pina rectangular, pinataas ba. Yeah, there is already a road right of way, kahinna nag road right of way tong Pikas apartment. So kini, guys, kini kung gusto kag investment o gusto kag apartment, no, dire ya, samot na mahuman na ng mall sa Pure Gold, guys, mas daghan na yung mga trabahante pohon anay na din eh. So pinakanindot sad ni, di sad ni basta basta gyud. See, so mao ni ang giingon, guys, nga ang hospital side manang hindi na dapita. Kuan man gud, guys, nag-annex na ang hospital sa kuan sa Ubay, nag-annex na, meaning ni kuan na sila, guys, ni pa-expand na sila. Lain sa tong dito sa may airport kanang RHU, RHU daw to, kanang murag health center ba, RHU may term na nila. Naghansad gihapon dito kuan maguning Ubay, it's a big flat land sa Ubay, very progressive. So mo ni nakanindot nya, soon to be a city yun Ubay, guys, kay kuan man gud ni, very progressive na seaport, Porliti and Cebu. Pwede ka ari sa Ubay moagi, guys, kanang paingon Manila, na may mga bus bitaw, Manila din Liti din Bicol, ari sa Ubay moagi, guys. Mo na nga nindot sa Ubay sad mag-investment, gusto di kag investment ba. So ingon ana na, so very nice. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of land title, and if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. Okay. Bulan Cebu lang ta guys ha. Then we have a website www.propertyph.net and ngc.com, ngcrealty.com.ph. Thank you.